guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in eSound account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your eSound account, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your eSound application, and after opening up your eSound application, now in order to log into your account, what you have to do is just simply tap on already have an account. After tapping on already have an account, now you can just simply continue with your Facebook if you have created your account with Facebook, or if you have created with your Google, you can just simply tap on sign in with Google. So what I'll do is I'll just simply tap on sign in with eSound, and after tapping on that, now in order to log into your account, you just have to enter your email address and password. So after entering the email address and password, just simply tap on login. And after tapping on login, you should be able to log into your eSound account. So that's it guys, this is how to log in eSound. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.